Welcome back to 234 Reviews. I'm going to do a review on some fried rice. I love fried rice. I'm going to be reviewing Kroger vegetable fried rice. This is in their frozen food section. The preferred method is stovetop. It does give you instructions for microwave as well, but we're going to fry this up on the stovetop, and I'm going to give you my honest feedback as to whether or not this is worth the buy. I'll put the price in the video. It's made with real egg, carrot, peas, and some scallions. It's on the stovetop for about 9 minutes. So this is what it looks like. Per the directions, we're going to add a tablespoon of oil to your skillet, and you're going to cook this over medium-high heat. And you're going to stir this periodically. So this is what this is looking like about 4.5 minutes into the cooking process. Just make sure when you're cooking, when you come in to stir it, just make sure you're scraping your little bits off the bottom of your skillet as well. If it sticks a little bit, that's normal. I added just a little bit more oil to mine. You can feel free to do that. I just didn't want it to burn. Normally when I'm doing a review with you guys, the cooking based on what the manufacturer suggests, but in this case, I just didn't want it to burn up, so I added a little bit more oil. Place the lid back on here and continue cooking. This is ready. It actually smells pretty good. There's a close-up of the rice. And like I said, it smells excellent. My puppy's right here. The tenderness of this rice reminds me of rice that you will get at Japanese hibachi restaurants when they cook the food in front of you. That's what this rice reminds me of. The tender quality, the fresh quality of the rice. So it's really good. You get a sweetness from the corn. Salt quality is there. Seasoning is there. Sweetness, flavor, the seasonings, everything is top tier. It is really good. Not too salty, not too much of anything. Everything is perfectly balanced in terms of flavor, guys. I mean, this is really good. This is by far the best packaged, processed, frozen fried rice that I've ever tasted. This is gold star, absolutely all the way. I'm probably gonna list this as a product that I love on 234 in La Casa, my other channel. This is excellent. All right, guys, I'll see y'all next time here at 234 Reviews and 234 in La Casa, because I'm gonna list this as a product that I love. That's how good this is. And I normally don't list too many products over there that I love unless it's got to be really good. Even some of my gold stars that I give, I don't really list them over there, but this is one that I will list. It is excellent.